Time for a feature on our show called 80s Pop Poetry. This bit was actually dreamed up at my friend's kitchen table. We were sitting around and I said, wouldn't it be fun if we took an 80s song and just destroyed it and read it like a poem and made people figure out what the song was? And so that's what we've done. The 80s Pop Poetry lady is ready to come in and do a dramatic reading of a perfectly good 80s song in an English accent. And your challenge is to try to remember how the real song really goes, okay? All right, 80s Pop Poetry lady, whenever you're ready, you just go for it. Well, thank you, Jennifer. Happy Friday, my friends. Shall we begin? Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey junkie, that funky monkey. Brass. Got this dance that's more than real. Drink brass monkey, here's how you feel. You put your left leg down, your right leg up. Tilt your head back, let's finish the cup. NCA with the bottle, D rocks the can. Ad Rock gets nice with Charlie Chan. We're offered Monet, we don't mind Chivas. Wherever we go, we bring the monkey with us. Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey junkie, that funky monkey. Brass.